This is the difference between a balance sheet and profit loss statement. So a balance sheet, stick with me here, Mr. Rider speaking. A balance sheet is assets and liabilities, things that you own and things that you owe. A profit loss statement is money coming in, money going out. So return on net worth, what we want to do is we want to add something to the asset column of the balance sheet. We're talking about leverage, so it's going to also add a liability. I'm not worried about that. The liability is going to be a lower dollar amount than the asset. So I'm gaining equity. My net worth has gone up. What matters is that when you do that, when you add something to your balance sheet, is there going to be an addition at the same time to your profit loss statement? That's what Jeff means by you take $1 and then you get a penny. He got $1 worth of an asset. It might be backed by 90 cents of a liability, but he's also getting a penny of revenue, a penny of income.